tape.
Motion detected at the office outside front door.
See what? Yeah, just do that.
Motion detected at the office outside front door. Motion detected at the office outside front door.
Sorry, my bad.
Go. Oh yeah, she came by yesterday. She came for like a few locks. She just wanted a few locks in the back. She didn't want the whole hair, yeah.
Yeah, no clean, man.
Yeah, she just wanted a few highlights. You stand facing the mirror for me? Yeah. I'm gonna turn the chair to the left. Got the hang time,
Motion
man.
detected at the office outside front door.
Yeah, it make my braid come out real good.
Yeah. You can look to the right. Yeah, it's like, yeah. You look down off your right shoulder. This way. Ooh, things are crisp, man. You can look off to your left. See the length of that, man. Damn, it's long. You face me? Yeah.
Motion detected at the office outside front door.
You can stand right here facing the TV, like you face yeah, I can watch it.
You stand right here facing the TV.
Motion detected at the office outside front door.
I said, man, that didn't come out crisp though, man.
So that's how you put them on YouTube.
Yeah, that's how I do it, bro. I've been doing this 18 years, the same way I'm doing it every time. Yo, let you check it out one more time. Damn, it got longer too. It looked longer too. Word, it got, yo, it was way longer though, for real. Yeah, it got way. Look at it, got way longer, man. Yeah, he had a lot of new growth, man. It got mad longer. And they feel strong, man. Super strong, man. Yeah.
That's me right now.
That's it, bro.
I like that. I don't come for all the time.
Motion detected at the office outside front door.